Schools closed. Activities canceled.
I am officially declaring a national emergency. Two very big
State of Maine
words.
going under a stay-at-home
The world
order.
will never be
Now
the
a
same.
pandemic.
NBA is suspending the season.
We are navigating uncharted territory.
Pushed back opening day until mid-May. NCAA tournament has been canceled.
Either cancel classes or move to remote learning.
All of it to ensure everyone's safety.
The world's shutting down and everything's so crazy right now, but we decided that doesn't mean we gotta stop having fun. So when our school told us classes were canceled, we packed up our stuff and decided to send it to Maine to quarantine in the woods. Welcome to Camp Quarantine. Conquering the waterfall. Is it far?
No, it's right there. We'll see you there.
I'm getting wet, I'm taking water! No!
Dean!
It's water!
It's the walk of shame.
We lost Kyle. They us both the kayaks. We're gonna try to intercept him at the bridge.
That's where we're going now.
Get the rock. Get a rock. We got a dog. We got a dog.
Hi, puppy. Hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? Kyle, I went backwards down that.
You don't even know what we just went through.
You did.
You have no idea. Fuck is that?
Eyes now.
Ah! Chase! Chill, bro! Ah! Chase, I'll give you $5 if you jump in the lake right now.
Easy money from Kyle.
I'm getting beat up, dude.
What can I say, boys? Dressed for the occasion, you know?
Jack!
Just a little crack.
This is part of the uniform. It doesn't get more classic than a goatee. No. I've never looked worse in my entire life. That's it. Tried to cut my hair.
Well, we came out.
I think I look pretty sexy.
Preheat grill on high. Come on out. Oh. What's going on here? What the heck going on here?
Jack's outside cooking a steak. He's about to get a little surprise off the deck.
Oh, it's 1:30, dude. So basically, right here, we have one of those situations where a mother lifts their car to save their child.
That's 260K, baby! Let's go! Minus the K.
Okay,
260 bucks, baby!
Thoughts on gambling?
I love it.
You've been up, you've been down.
It's a ride, man. It's a roller coaster.
Is it worth it for the kids?
Yeah, any of you thinking out there, you know, my parents are telling me I shouldn't gamble, but I really want to. It's fun. Let me tell you what else. You win.
Oh!
That's cracked.
Is it cracked?
Not really, but kind of.
The spark?
I'm gonna have to light one of these out of my blood, aren't I?
Yeah.
Cut to it. Everyone has one.
Does it burn? It's spraying you.
It's not burning. Ow! Ow! That one's burning.
What happened? Oh! No, get down.
Oh! That burned me bad. I've been meaning to shave my butt hair anyways. Trying to find some burn remedies. A burnt butt. Tell you what, it hurts.